everyone, this is Hazel Baldaba from BSCS25 and I'm here to discuss about relational database. So let's get started.
Relational Database. Who is Edgar F. Codd? To give you a quick background, the concept of relational databases was introduced by Edgar F. Codd in a seminal paper titled A Relational Model of Data for Large Shared Data Banks, published in 1970. Codd, an IBM researcher, proposed a new way to organize and manage data based on mathematical set theory and first-order logic. A relational database is a type of database that organizes data into tables, where each table consists of rows and columns. The tables are related to each other based on common fields, establishing connections between them. This structure allows for efficient storage, retrieval, and management of data, adhering to principle known as relational model. Popular relational database management system or RDBMS include MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. In a relational database, like what I mentioned earlier, data is organized into tables, with each table having rows and columns. Each column represents a specific attribute or field, and each row represents a record or instance of data. So the relationship between tables are established through keys. For an example, consider two tables, one for customers and one for orders. The customer table might have columns such as customer ID, name, and email, like what you can see on the screen. And while the orders table could have columns like order ID, customer ID, and order date. So the customer ID column in the customers table serves as a primary key, uniquely identifying each customer, while customer ID in the orders table is a foreign key linking back to the customers table. So if you wanted to find orders placed by a specific customer with the name of John, like what I've example here on the table, you could use SQL or structured query language to query the database joining the customers and orders tables at the customer ID field. So this query retrieves the order information for all order placed by a customer named John by matching the customer ID between the two tables. The advantages of relational database. Structured data. Relational databases provide a structured and organized way to store and retrieve data, making it easier to understand and manage. Data integrity. The use of primary and foreign keys enforces data integrity, reducing the risk of inconsistencies and error in the database. Relationships. Relational databases excel at handling relationships between tables, allowing for efficient querying and retrieval of related data. SQL language. The standardized SQL language facilitates powerful and flexible querying, making it easier for the developers to interact with the database. Asset properties. Relational databases adhere to asset properties, ensuring transactions are reliable and maintain data integrity. Normalization. The normalization process helps minimize data redundancy and dependency, leading for more efficient storage and reduced chances to update anomalies.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you learned something and please do like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video. Bye everyone!